Welcome to another Simply Answers Tips and Tricks video. Today we're going to go a little bit different route. I'm going to show you an application that does not come on the Mac, but it's very handy, it's free, and it's great to use. We use it around the Simply Mac offices all the time. It's called Skitch. So it's basically a screenshot application that allows you to annotate the screenshots or blur things out, whatever. It's very, very handy. So you go to the App Store, you download it, and when it's up and running, it's up here in the menu bar, this little heart. This indicates Skitch, and of course you can select the options from it. And as you can see here, you can do full screen, timed, crosshair, anything like that. It does require you have it linked to an Evernote account, so if you don't have Evernote, that's another app that's very handy, but it's free. Evernote's a free account, so you don't have to worry about paying anything or anything like that. It basically allows you to have all your sketches in a cloud essentially, and you can access them from anywhere that you have Evernote, either on your iDevice or another computer. So that's a small disclaimer with Skitch. So how does it work? Well, let's come down here and we'll open up a web browser. And here we are just on Apple's website. Now you can of course go up to the top and select what you'd like to do, or you can just do a simple key combination of the command button, shift, and 5. And you see it does this to the screen here. And then you can move your cursor around. So if I just want to take a screenshot of this box, say I want to email this to somebody, it kind of gives me my guidelines, but then I can just click and highlight it. That'll capture it. It'll give me the dimensions. I just click capture, and there we go. It's within Skitch. And from here you can do some things. So like here's your different tools. So if I want to add an arrow, I can do this here. Looks like I got it a little backwards. So if I want to point an arrow to that, I can add some text. Just like this. Click here to download. Obviously I ran out of space, but you kind of get the idea of what I'm talking about here. You can change the colors of the fonts if you'd like to. Nice little Simply Matte green there. If you want to blur anything out, you just click this button. You just go like this. You just basically select what you want blurred. And then if it's got like your name or your phone number, and if you wanted to email it to somebody and you wanted to exclude that information, Skitch might be the easiest way to do that, so you don't have to worry about disclosing important information. So that's a quick thing you can do with Skitch. You can of course crop it down if you'd like to crop it down. There's a whole bunch of different controls of what you can do with the screenshot. It's very simple, very straightforward. You can of course do boxes and borders and all that fun stuff. You can draw, you know, to circle things or to illustrate stuff. It's pretty simple overall. And once you're done with that, if you want to share it via email, just click where it says drag me, and you see what it does there. You can change the different type of files. Usually JPEG's a lot more flexible. Just click drag me. So I can drop it over my mail application and drop it. You'll open up mail for me and auto attach it. Very simple way to send it. You don't have to do a lot. Or maybe you want to add it to a document. I'll click and open up pages here. Then if you want to add your Skitch screenshot to this this pages document, you can click the drag me thing here again in Skitch. Just drop it into pages. It'll add it for you, and you can move it around, and there you go. You have it in a document. You can share it if you're doing any kind of document or paper or anything like that. Very simple way to do things overall. So that's how you can add it to pages. And I recommend, you know, at least giving Skitch a shot. It's gotten some negative reviews on the App Store, but we use it all the time. We think it's pretty handy. It's a lot easier way to do screenshots in terms of being able to do stuff with the screenshots. So go ahead and give it a shot. Go to the App Store, search Skitch, just right down here in the App Store, and give it a shot. We think you'll like it.